Hello guys, welcome to Mr. Legend Crypto. Guys, in this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Optimism. Road to new all-time highs for Optimism. Optimism currently having a huge rally. We've started 2023 on a bright note. Optimism is up 185% in the last 1 month. In the last 1 week and the last 1 day, Optimism is pumping to the upside. How long will it take Optimism to blast above the $4.5 region? We're on our way towards $10. We've seen Optimism go to as low as $0.39, rallying up to as high as $2.7, currently up 591%. In this video, we'll also be taking a look at the Optimism Bitcoin valuation chart. We'll be taking a look at Optimism performance against Ethereum, and we'll also take a look at Optimism market cap, which is currently at a new all-time high. Optimism market cap is around the $645 million region. How long will it take us to get to that $1 billion mark? We'll be talking about that and more in this video. But first, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So if you want to make more money trading or investing in cryptocurrencies, if you want to get the latest crypto news, price predictions, and chart analysis, this is the channel for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Let's get down to business. All coins are having a nice time. We've started the year on a very bright note. If you go on a yearly time frame, a lot of these altcoins are still down in gobbling town. One of those altcoins that is pumping on a yearly time frame, on a monthly time frame, and on a weekly time frame, Optimism is also pumping to higher prices. Optimism is a new altcoin that was launched in May 2022. It was launched around the $4.5 region. We saw this altcoin dumping 90% after it was launched. But guys, that's what we expect altcoins after they are launched. A lot of people that get these free airdrops are going to drop them into gobbling town. But we've seen Optimism slowly grind its way from the $0.39 level, currently trading around $2.7. We expect Optimism to be pumping to new all-time highs from where we're currently trading right now. For Optimism to get to that $4.5 region, Optimism will need to go up another additional 61%. And guys, with all coins, that can happen very, very quickly. That can happen in just 1 day. But how high can Optimism go in this relief rally? Optimism is one of those new altcoins that anywhere it pumps to, it looks as if it's in a new all-time high. And you don't start betting against Optimism setting new all-time highs. After we rallied to as high as $2.2 in August 2022, which saw Optimism go up around 400% in just 45 days, Optimism is showing us that it still has some juice to go to the upside. And I believe we're going to see Optimism trading around the $4.5 region, blasting to higher prices. But for us to go to that higher prices, we have to pass some critical levels. And right now, that critical level for Optimism is going to come around that $2.9 region. The $2.9 region, we see Optimism at a 0.618 retracement level. And if Optimism can rally above $2.9, getting to as high as $3.2, then let's start getting ready for new all-time highs. But around $3.2, guys, there's always that possibility we might get rejected at that level. If Optimism get rejected at the $3.2 level, we might see it coming back for a pullback to come to test either $1.9, or we might even go lower than that. We might see Optimism reaching the $1.3 region. If Optimism can blast above $3.2, then our next point of action is going to come around the $4.5 region when we're getting ready to blast to new all-time highs. And that reason why Optimism is pumping to higher prices is that a lot of bears are getting liquidated, a lot of people are expecting to dump to gobbling town. And guys, when the altcoin market is pumping to higher prices, you don't want to feed the pump, you want to respect the pump, because all coins are very, very volatile. All coins can easily make you rich. At the same time, they can easily make you poor with one just dump to the downside. If Optimism is going to go above the $4 region, that would have seen Optimism gone up more than 1,000%. And for a bear market rally, that is really, really wonderful. Optimism is a new altcoin in the market. So we don't know how Optimism will behave when we go to a bull market. Optimism is just giving us all this pump while Bitcoin is still in the bear market. So crazy things are going to happen for Optimism in the future. I still believe we're going to rally above $10, maybe even getting to as high as $17 before the end of this bear market. From where we're currently trading, for Optimism to rally up to that $17 region, we need Optimism to rally up around 500%. And guys, that's very, very possible if we see Bitcoin heading towards $40,000, we see Ethereum heading towards $3,500, the altcoin market continue rallying up to higher prices. Optimism is one of those altcoins that will keep a lot of people in disbelief till we pump to higher prices. Optimism in the last 1 year has gone from as high as $4.5 down to as low as $0.4. And right now, Optimism is back up around the $2.74 region with a rank of 73 on CoinMarketCap. Optimism has over 63,000 people that have it on their watch list. With a market cap of $642 million, Optimism fully diluted market cap comes in around $11.8 billion. That might be some problem for Optimism holders because we have a total supply of over 4.2 billion tokens and just 234 million tokens are in circulation. So we still have over 4 billion Optimism tokens that might come into circulation. And that's why I might see Optimism pumping maybe to as high as $17 to get people bullish. People will start shouting, we're going to the moon. And at that point in time, more Optimism token will be coming to circulation and we might start seeing Optimism dumping to Goblin Town. So even though I'm cheering for Optimism to pump to higher prices, even though I'm cheering Optimism to get above $4.5 in this relief rally, I'm still in the knowledge that we're still deep in the crypto bear market and you don't want to get carried away with all coins pumping the bear market. The bear market can be very, very long. The bear market can be very, very brutal. The higher all these altcoins pump when we're pumping, the lower they're going to dump when we're dumping. If you're a smart investor, if you're accumulating Optimism, getting ready for the next bull run, if you have been accumulating Optimism since when we started talking about it on this channel around the $0.4 region, right now you should be welling into profits. Right now you should be getting ready to get some off the table so that in case you see that dump to the downside, you have some capital on the side. Smart investors don't go all in when you're buying altcoins. You want to dollar cost average through the process. At least you want to have some cash on the side so they can take advantage of those sweet dips when they come along the corner. We're going to be pumping to higher prices. I expect to see Optimism pumping towards the $10 region, but I still expect to see some pullbacks along the way. You want to be very, very careful with Optimism, guys. More tokens might be coming to circulation as we're pumping to new all-time highs. Optimism is a layer 2 blockchain on top of Ethereum. Optimism benefits from the security of the Ethereum mainnet and helps scale the Ethereum ecosystem by using optimistic rollups. That means transactions are trustlessly recorded on Optimism but ultimately secured on Ethereum. If you want to get some Optimism token for yourself in the bear market as we're pumping to new all-time highs, you can get some on your favorite crypto exchange, on Binance, on Coinbase, on KuCoin, on Uniswap, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. Now, if you take a look at Optimism performance against both Bitcoin and Ethereum, we're quietly rallying up to new all-time highs, even though we're deep in the bear market. Optimism is one of those altcoins that is currently outperforming the rest of the market. Since June 2022, Optimism has outperformed Bitcoin by 426%, and since June 2022, we've also seen Optimism outperform Ethereum by 329%. Optimism might continue outperforming Ethereum till the end of this relief rally. From where Optimism is currently against Bitcoin, for it to get to new all-time highs, we just need to see it rally more than 20% against Bitcoin, and I believe that can happen very, very quickly. Guys, if Optimism set new all-time highs against both Bitcoin and Ethereum in this relief rally, even though we'll be happy, but that might be a bearish sign for Optimism long term, because you want to see Optimism setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin and Ethereum in the bull market. If it's doing so in the bear market, we'll still have some further dumps to Goblin Town. We might still see Optimism lose value against both Bitcoin and Ethereum before the end of the next bull run. In the bear market, altcoins are known to dump against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. So when you see any altcoin pumping against Bitcoin and Ethereum, you want to pay close attention. Optimism doesn't have any bag holders. And when we start getting to new all-time highs, things might get pretty interesting very, very quickly. Optimism might just enter price discovery where we'll see it pumping to higher prices very, very quickly. Optimism's market cap's in a new all-time high. I believe we'll see Optimism's market cap break that $1 billion region very, very quickly. We might even see it getting to as high as $1.6 billion before the end of the rally. That will mean from where Optimism is currently trading, the market cap will have to go up around 164% to get to the $1.69 billion region. What will happen to the price of Optimism if we see it going up 169% from where we're currently trading? Guys, that will take the price of Optimism around that $7 region. And I believe smart investors would have been taking profit at that region, because if Optimism start trading around the $7 region, those smart investors that bought at the $0.41 region when we started talking about Optimism on this channel would have been up over 1,500%. That's a 15x return on investment. So guys, drop your thoughts in the comment section. How high do you see Optimism going in this relief rally? Do you think Optimism can break into new all-time highs, getting to as high as $10? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Always remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. See you guys in my next video.